Now here we are to do the Iupac nomenclature of organic compound. As this Iupac nomenclature is in 11th as well as in 12th standard. So before doing the Iupac nomenclature, you should know about the priority rule of the functional groups. All of you know well, the functional groups are the atoms or the group of atoms which will decide the properties of a organic compound. Now there is the functional groups. If more than one functional group is present, so we have to take the one functional group as a principal functional group. And the principal functional group will be according to this priority order. This priority order is also known as the sequence rule. Now here, it is the decreasing order of priorities of the functional groups. That is, according to this sequence, the alkyne has the least priority. Means whenever, suppose you are having a molecule like this, and it will include the various functional groups. इसके अंदर various functional groups आपके present है. So here you can easily see कि triple bond and double bond both are present. And this triple bond will have the least priority as compared to double bond. So you can easily understood कि you have to numbering the chain from where we will get the double bond will get the lowest position. This is the meaning of this priority rule. Now here, if you will start the numbering from left to right, you will see the carbon containing double bond will acquire the second number. But when you will start the numbering from this side, you will see it will acquire number 3 position. So this will be the right order and the nomenclature will become pent. As there is a double bond or the triple bond is present, so we have to write the suffix according to the principal functional group. So here it will be pent 2-ene as it contains the double bond at the second carbon atom. 2-ene and 4-ine. So that we can apply this priority rule according to this molecule. Now, this suppose you are having the double carbonyl group, that is the aldehyde and the ketonic group. So you can easily understood that aldehyde group has a high priority as compared to this ketonic group. Similarly, the OH will has the less priority as compared to the carbonyl groups and so on. So here is the table in which we can see about the prefixes and the suffixes. Prefixes are the substituents. Prefixes kya hote? These are the substituent. And there we have to write down the position also. Means substituent or the locanes. Substituents are also known as the locanes. And they has the position. They must have the position where they are present in the carbon atom chain. And suffixes. The suffixes are the principal functional group. Like suppose if the more than one functional group is present, so we can apply the priority rule. And if only the one functional group is present or the monofunctional group is there, so there is no need to apply the priority rule. Suppose you can take one by the examples. Whenever you are doing the Iupac nomenclature, it is must you have to see the number of carbon atom chain. Suppose you are having the carbon atom chain like this, in this manner. It's a very simple molecule I am taking to explain the concept. So here you can easily see the carbon atom 1, 2, 3. Suppose you are having the straight chain in this manner. But you can easily find out 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is also the carbon atom chain, whether it is in the zigzag movement. So this carbon atom will not get the third position. This will become as a substituent. That you have done in the 10th standard also, in the 11th standard also. So that you can easily find out that butane is the chain because there is no functional group is present. So the substituent will become, jo aapka substituent will be methyl and the suffix will be ane. So it is butane. Butane is the principal chain. And at the second carbon atom, there is a methyl group present as a substituent. So the nomenclature for this compound will become 2-methyl butane. It's a very simple molecule to understand the first rule, that is the carbon atom जो हम chain लेंगे, that should be of the highest carbon atom if there is no functional group is present. But if the functional group is present, we have to choose the chain in which the functional group will be present. Now, you can easily find out the another one is for the alkene, that is but1ene is given in this example, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is the second position. First position, the double bond is present and the 4 carbon atom chain is there. So it is but1ene or it may be 1-butene. So this molecule can be in this manner also. Suppose you are having the double bond like this and you are having the substituent also. So suppose you are having this kind of the molecule. So now you can easily understand that double bond is present here, and so that you should numbering the chain, that double bond should get the lowest number. So whenever you will start it, suppose you will take the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the substituent here. And if you are starting the numbering from this right side, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So from here you will get the third position, 1, 2, 3. Here you will get the second position. So the numbering will be start from this position. ये वाली right numbering होगी, and the nomenclature will become, what is the substituent? It will be 4-methyl. Okay, 4-methyl pent होगा. पेंट होगा, क्यों होगा? बिकॉज डबल बॉन्ड इज प्रेजेंट हियर. हम पेंटेन नहीं लिख सकते. पेंट और सेकंड पोजीशन पे डबल बॉन्ड है, तो पेंट टू इन, so that will be the suffix 1, and here is the position. So in that manner we have to complete the molecule with the substituent, with the position, functional group with the position, and the number of carbon atom present in a chain. Now another you will take like but1ine hai, so it will become but1ine or pent1ine. So whatever molecule which contain the triple bond, the suffix will become ine. Now this is the simplest molecule, benzene, which contains C6H6 is the molecular formula of the benzene, and if it is present as a substituent, it will become phenyl. तो इसके लिए भी हम करेंगे आगे phenyl, जिसके अंदर हम लेंगे कि benzene is present as a substituent. So now when the halogens are there, they always be taken as a substituent, that is 1-bromobutane, 2-bromobutane, 3-bromobutane, 1-bromobutane or 2-bromobutane. 3-bromobutane is not possible. So you have to see the position of the Br if the functional group is not present. So the carbon atom which contain the halogen should have the minimum number. So if more than one, जैसे suppose, चलिए example के through देखते हैं, ये molecule ली, Br, CH, Cl and CH3. Now here the two halogen atoms are present. दो halogen atoms यहाँ पर आपके present है. So if the more than one halogen atoms are present, so you have to see the numbering. See carefully, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here you will not see the position of both of them separately. You have to add the position of them. That is, if you are starting the numbering from this side, so 2 plus 3, the position will comes out to be 5. अगर हम यहाँ से start करते हैं, और अगर हम left side से start करते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, तो position 3 and 4, they will comes out to be 7. Now I am repeating, whenever more than one same group elements, same priority groups are there, like हेलो है, Br और Cl है, तो इनका आपने इंडिविजुअल नहीं देखना कि यहाँ से आपने स्टार्ट किया तो लोवेस्ट नंबर आ रहा है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया तो लोवेस्ट नंबर आ रहा है, या आप इसको देख रहे हैं अल्फाबेटिकली. तो आपने यहाँ पर देखना है सम ऑफ द पोजीशंस, सम ऑफ द लोकेंट्स, sum of the position of the substituent. So from where we are getting the lowest number of the sum of the position, then you can say only कि it will be right one. So here the position sum of the locant comes out to be 5. Here the position comes out to be 7. So the numbering will be start from this side, and the nomenclature will become, पहले ब्रोमो आएगा alphabetical order में, तो it will be 3 bromo 2 chloro. ऐसे लिखेंगे 3 ब्रोमो 2 chloro, then 2 chloro, then 5 carbon atom chain. There is no functional group is present, so suffix will become ane, so it will be pentane. So 3 bromo 2 chloro pentane is the nomenclature of this particular compound. Now, the another you will take similarly for the alcohol. For the alcohol, if it is present as a substituent, it will become hydroxy as a prefixes, and it will be O-ol if it is present in principal functional group. That we will see by the examples later on. Now, another one is al, that is aldehyde group. It may be written as formyl or it may be written as oxo as a prefix, and as a suffix, it will be written as al, like butanol. जैसे CH3 CH2 whole twice CHO है. CH2 whole twice CHO में it will be written in a straight manner. इसको straight chain में लिखते हैं. जैसे अगर आपके पास इस तरीके का molecule है. These presentations are very much important. Suppose you are having this kind of the molecule. So actually these CH2 are present in a straight chain, like CH3, 1, 3, 4. ये आपके complete हो गए 4, and then one more CH2 and OH. So you will see the OH is present as a functional group here, and no other functional group is present in this molecule. So the suffix will become OL. And now we will see what is the number of carbon atom and the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It will be hex. और कोई substituent इसके अंदर है ही नहीं. So we have to write hex, hexane, because there is no double bond or the triple bond, and it will become hexane 1-ol, because the suffix will comes out to be according to the OH group, which is alcoholic group, and it is a suffix here. And the 6 carbon atom chain at the first position, it will become hexane 1-ol. Now suppose more than one OH group is present. अगर एक से ज्यादा OH group present है, जैसे अगर आपने ये molecule लिया, you are taking this kind of the molecule. Now you have to see the sum of the substituents also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 5. ठीक है, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, 5. So from both the side, numbering and the substitute name or sum of the substituent comes out to be same. So in that manner, we can take the numbering from any side. So it will become butane, butane, because there is no double bond or triple bond. Butane at the second position, at the third position, 2 OH groups are present, so it will become diol. So the nomenclature will become butane 2,3-diol. Now we will see some examples related to the Iupac nomenclature. See this molecule. In this molecule, you will see the numbering, start the numbering. Okay. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So the chain will be of octane because there is no functional group is attached to it. But there is 3 substituents are present at the position 2, 5 and 6. So when you add the position 2, 5 and 6, it comes out to be 13. Okay. Now if you are starting the numbering from the another side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again it is octane, but now the positions are 3. This one position is 4 and the position is 7. So the addition will be comes out to be 14. So this will be not the lower one. So we have to follow the numbering, that is 2, 5 and 6. So it is 2, 5, 6 trimethyl octane because 3 methyl groups are there. For the 2 it is di, for 3 it is tri, for 4 it is tetra. So it is 2, 5, 6 trimethyl octane, and this numbering is wrong numbering 3, 4, 7 trimethyl octane because the addition of the substituents will comes out to be more than 13. Okay, I think this example is clear to all of you. Now the another example you will see by yourself, that is this molecule is, now see the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The chain is of heptane. तो पहले हमने chain निकाल ली, it is without functional group. So the basic chain will be heptane. Now see the addition of the substituent, that is third position and the fifth position, third and fifth position. So it is comes out to be 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Now from the another side, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again it is comes out to be 8, that is 3 and 5. So it is again comes out to be 8. Now there is a controversy ki if from both the sides the 8 8 means symmetrical molecule is there, addition of the position of substituent comes out to be same, then we have to see the name of the substituent. This is methyl and this is ethyl. एक मिथाइल है, एक इथाइल है. तो alphabetically ethyl will be comes before as compared to methyl. So the preference will be, the lowest number will be given to ethyl. So the nomenclature will become 3-ethyl, 5-methyl heptane. अगर आप लिखेंगे 5-ethyl 3-methyl, that will be the wrong one. So whenever the sum of the substituent comes out to be same, means this molecule is stabilized one, this molecule is symmetrical one, and we have to give the lowest number to the carbon atom to which the substituent is present, which comes alphabetically before than the other molecule or other substituent. Okay, I think this point is also clear to all of you. Now the another molecule, we can take this molecule. See here the numbering is given already. The OH is present as a substituent because here it is methyl, this is CH3 group, so it is taken as a substituent. So according to the priority rule, OH will be the principal functional group, so it will become octane 3 all. क्योंकि अगर हम यहाँ से नंबरिंग शुरू करेंगे 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, तो OH को मिलेगा 6 नंबर जो कि 3 से ज्यादा है, इसलिए नंबरिंग स्टार्ट होगी फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड इन दिस मॉलिक्यूल एंड द OH will get the lowest number, the carbon atom will get the lowest number which contain OH, that is third number. So it is octane 3 all. I think this chain is clear to all of you. And according to the numbering, the sixth position occupied by the methyl group, so the numbering nomenclature will become 6-methyl octane 3 all. So in that manner you can do the nomenclature according to the substituent alphabetically and the longest chain of the carbon atom. Now see the another molecule in which you will see the 2 double bonds are present and the 1 triple bond is present. And according to the priority rule, the triple bond will have the lowest priority, so that we have to see the numbering of the double bond. See what will be the nomenclature for this compound. See the 6 carbon atoms are present, so that will become hex because it will contain double bond and triple bond. So we can't give the suffix ane. Ane suffix हम नहीं दे सकते. Now see, at the first position and at the third position the double bonds are present. So hex first 3 ene, diene. 2 है तो diene, 1 है तो ene, 3 है तो triene. तो 1 3 diene, 5 fifth position पे triple bond present है तो 5 ine. See carefully. Hex means 6 carbon atom. पहले carbon atom निकाल लें. Then see the functional group. Now here the functional group as is not present in a chain, it is present along with the carbon atom only. That is double bond and the triple bond. So 2 double bonds are present, so it will become diene, and 1 triple bond is present, so it will become ine. Now see the position. The 2 double bonds are situated at the first and 3 position, so it will become 1 3 diene, and the triple bond is situated at the 5th position, it will become 5 ine. So the nomenclature will become hex 1 3 diene 5 ine. Now see this molecule. This is the same molecule 1 and 2, but see which one is the correct order of numbering. Then we will do the nomenclature of this compound. Now this compound is present in this manner. Okay. So if you do the numbering in a straight chain like this, so 1, 2, 3, 9 carbon atoms are present. And if you are doing the numbering in this manner, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 carbon atoms are there. So this numbering is the wrong numbering. So we have to follow the numbering in which the carbon atoms are present in a straight chain and having the largest number of carbon atoms. Suppose ये अगर चेन नीचे होती है इस तरीके से CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, 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 CH, and then the chain will be present like this, CH3, and like this, CH2, CH3. Okay. Then we have to take the numbering again in this manner. So this and this will be taken as a substituent. Presentation कैसे भी हो सकती है, इस मॉलिक्यूल की ये भी एक प्रेजेंटेशन है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 carbon atoms are there, तो nonane हो गया. तो nonane, and at the second position and at the sixth position, there will be second position, and the sixth position is carried out by ethyl group. अगर आप एडिशन ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूएंट करेंगे उसी रूल से आपको करना है. अगर आप यहां से करेंगे तो 2 + 6 होगा 8, लेकिन अगर आप रिवर्स जाएंगे तो 1, 2, 3, 4, ये 4 पोजीशन आएगी और ये आएगी आपकी 8 पोजीशन, तो ये हो गया 12. सो दिस कैन नॉट बी अप्लाइड. सो वी हैव टू टेक द 2 and 6, बट द इथाइल विल बिकम्स अल्फाबेटिकली ऑर्डर के अकॉर्डिंग. इथाइल पहले आता है तो हम लिखेंगे पहले किसको, इथाइल को. So the nomenclature will become 6-ethyl 2-methyl nonane. I'm repeating, 6-ethyl 2-methyl nonane. So in that manner you can do the nomenclature for the alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and alcohols. See the more examples related to the topic which we have discussed today. That is, you can see this molecule. So you can do the numbering. स्ट्रेट चेन में आपके CH3 हो गए, Cl is present along with the carbon atom, so that will become 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is 2-chlorobutane. So you can do by it yourself also. It is 2-chlorobutane. In the another one, suppose there is CH3 whole thrice is there actually. So you may write this molecule in this manner. एक ही कार्बन के साथ में 3 CH3 molecule ऐसे present है, and then CH2Br. This molecule can be written as in this manner. Presentation is very important regarding the organic compound. So you will see the 3 carbon atoms are present in any manner. You can see it is 1, 2, 3. It is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you will see the 1, 2 and 3. 3 substituents are present when you will take this compound. So this will be given as one number, 1, 2 and 3. Why? You can add the position of the substituent. So it is 2, 2 plus 1. So you will get 2, 2 plus 1 means 5. और अगर आप यहाँ से start करते हैं तो 2, 2 and 3. So that will be comes out to be 3, 7. So it comes out to be 7. So it will be taken as in this manner. So now you may write the nomenclature. करिए अपने आप, and you will see from the blackboard. It is 1 bromo, 2, 2, क्योंकि second position पे 2 मिथाइल है, 2, 2 डाई methyl propane. So 1 bromo, 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Now you can do this molecule also. I'm just giving you the presentation of this compound. So it will be CH3 whole thrice. I think it is CH3 whole thrice means carbon atom यहाँ होगा, and CH3, 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 and then Br molecule is present in this manner. See this molecule. So you will see 1, 2, यहाँ से 2 कार्बन आएंगे, बट अगर आप ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल को देखेंगे तो 3 कार्बन आएंगे, तो 1, 2 and 3. तो 2 + 2 यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे तो भी 2 + 2, आप यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे तो भी 2 + 2, यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे तो भी 2 + 2. सो इट विल बिकम 2 ब्रोमो. ब्रोमो पहले आएगा अल्फाबेटिकली, 2 ब्रोमो 2 मिथाइल, 2 ब्रोमो 2 methyl propane. So if you will do the right presentation of the molecule, then you can do it by yourself. So you will see this molecule also. ये भी molecule आपने करना है, double bond को priority मिलेगी, 1 and 2. So it is 2 chloro होगा, 1 chloro होगा, 1, 2, because कहीं से भी आप शुरू करेंगे double bond will get the same position, and especially this compound, जैसे अगर हम ये लेते हैं CH2 double bond CH and Cl means the present at this sp2 hybridized carbon atom, इसे हम बोलते हैं विनाइल. तो क्लोराइड है तो विनाइल क्लोराइड, it's called vinyl chloride. Okay, so it is 1 chloro eth 1 ene, 1 chloro eth 1 ene. Now if you will see this compound, now here you will see this compound can be written as in this manner, CH, CH2 and Br. Now here the bromo is present and double bond is present at this position. अगर हम नंबरिंग यहाँ से लेते हैं 1 2 3, अगर हम नंबरिंग यहाँ से लेते हैं 1 2 3, तो यू विल सी कि फर्स्ट पोजीशन यहाँ से हमें मिल रही है, फर्स्ट पोजीशन डबल बॉन्ड को, और यहाँ से हमें मिल रही है सेकंड पोजीशन. तो इसको हम फॉलो करेंगे, इसको फॉलो नहीं करेंगे, ये वाला फॉलो नहीं होगा. सो इट विल बिकम 3 ब्रोमो. इस मॉलिक्यूल में बच्चे सबसे ज्यादा गलतियां करते हैं. इट इज 3 ब्रोमो prop. So it is 3 bromo prop 1 ene. It is not 1 bromo prop 2 ene. Okay, so this compound is specially known as allyl bromide. Allyl bromide. ये जो ग्रुप होता है ये होता है आपका विनाइल ग्रुप. अगर हमने OH लगा दिया तो विनाइल अल्कोहल, Cl लगा दिया तो विनाइल क्लोराइड, Br लगा दिया तो विनाइल ब्रोमाइड. और अगर हमने यहाँ से इसको सेपरेट कर दिया sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन एटम से, so it will become allyl. This is allyl group. क्लोरो लगाएंगे तो allyl chloride, allyl bromide. So this group are very important for your further organic chemistry. So do well and complete lecture. Listen the lecture carefully. Do all the molecules in your copies. So in the next class, we will discuss about the nomenclature of the other functional groups like alkane, alkene, alcohol, and alkynes we have completed today. And we will do the multifunctional groups also.